Hello, Sam. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Do you want to practice English with me?
Yes, I'd love to. I need to improve my speaking.
Me too. Sometimes I make mistakes when I speak. Do you?
Yes, I make mistakes too. But it's okay, we learn from mistakes.
Right. What do you find the most difficult in English?
I think speaking is hard. I understand a lot but can't speak well.
Me too. How can we get better?
Maybe we should speak English every day.
Good idea. Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I watch, but sometimes it's hard to understand.
You can try with subtitles. It helps me a lot. Do you?
Yes, I do. It's very helpful. Do you read English books?
I try, but I read slow. Do you read books?
I read small stories in English. It's easier.
That's smart. Should we try to learn new words every day?
Yes, that's important. How do you remember new words?
I write them down and try to use them. And you?
I use flashcards. They are very useful. Do you use apps for learning?
Yes, I use language learning apps. They are fun. Do you?
I use them too. Which app do you like the most?
I like the one with games. It makes learning fun. What about you?
I like the app with speaking practice. It helps me speak better.
That sounds great. Should we practice speaking more?
Yes, let's do that. Do you want to start now?
Sure. Let's talk about our hobbies. What's your hobby?
I like painting. And you?
I enjoy playing the guitar. Is painting difficult?
Not really. It's fun. Is playing the guitar hard?
It was hard at first, but I practice a lot. Do you speak English when you paint?
Sometimes I listen to English music. Do you speak English when you play the guitar?
Yes, I try to sing English songs. It's good practice.
That's a great idea. Do you make mistakes when you sing?
Yes, but I learn from them. Do you learn new words from songs?
Yes, music helps me remember new words. Do you have English-speaking friends?
A few. Speaking with them helps. And you?
I have some too. We practice together. Do you feel shy when you speak English?
Sometimes, yes. But I try to be brave. What about you?
I'm shy too, but I'm getting better. Should we speak English every day?
Yes, let's do that. Practice makes perfect.
Agreed. Will you be my English practice partner?
Of course, Sam. Let's help each other improve.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm happy to have a friend like you.
Me too, Sam. Let's make learning English fun.
Yes, let's do it. We can succeed together.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!